Hi everybody, this is a new video for your lesson in your hands. Please support us with a like and a subscribe. Now we will start the video.
Real number can classify to rational number and irrational number. Ratio numbers are those can represent as ratio to two integers. Irrational number in the other side cannot be expressed as ratio to two numbers. Are there any other kinds of number? Before you answer this question, let me ask you another question. Think of a number will present negative number. A number multiplied itself will be a negative number. I think you use many of numbers, but you don't have answer because 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 and positive. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 5, 25, and this is positive. And root minus 3 multiplied by root minus 3 is 3, and this is positive. Actually, I will come back for this later.
So we have studied quadratic equations. We know that if x squared minus 9 is equal to 0, x is either equal to 3 or negative 3. Now try to find a solution to x squared plus 1 equal to 0. You're not sure, yes? Or do you think there's no solution to this one? Don't worry if you couldn't get the answer to these two questions. Let's understand the situation now. Whenever we considered the square of a number, say x, the result was always positive. Whatever if x are positive or negative, we always got a positive result. And we had learned that negative did not have a square root. So if we had a number like minus 9, we said its square root did not exist. Do you remember that while finding the solution of a quadratic equation using the formula if the discriminant b squared minus 4ac was negative? We said that there are no real roots of the quadratic equation. Based on what we had studied earlier, x squared plus 1 equal to 0 will not have any real roots as the value of discriminant is negative 4. Why did we do this? What was the problem here? It's easy, as the square root of negative 1 did not exist for us. So this equation don't has a solution.
In 18th century, the mathematician Cardan discovered that solution of quadratic equation with negative discriminant, and the mathematician Euler he discovered that root minus 1 equal to I, and its imaginary number. I just your number that you discovered from your mind or imagine it, and I squared equal to minus 1. Now BS answer the two questions I asked you from the beginning of the video. There are number squared equal to a negative number? Yes, it's I. If root minus 1 equal to I, then I multiply by I equal to I squared. Root minus 1 multiply by root minus 1 equal to minus 1 because I squared equal to minus 1. The second question. Find x. X squared plus 1 equal to 0. First thing you minus 1 from each side, then x squared will equal to minus 1. To find x you put the root on each side, so x will be equal to plus root minus 1, or x will be equal to minus root minus 1. So x will be equal to plus or minus I. The equation has no roots, and I has imaginary roots.
Please write the things that can improve our videos in the comments. Thank you for listening for us, and goodbye.